What's going on? How's everyone doing today? It's CJ Halleck with CJHalleck.com, digitalbag.com, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through creating, editing, and deleting WordPress users and how to set up your user properly. Let's get to it. Alright, so we are on the dashboard, and what we're going to do, and you can actually come in and close these little pop-ups out. Alright, so we're going to close that. We'll minimize all this, make it easy so you don't get sidetracked. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come down under users, and we're going to click on all users. This is where you're going to see the majority of your, not majority, this is where you're going to see all of your users. From here, if you wanted to edit a profile, you can do that by clicking on edit under the username that you want to edit, but we are not going to use this. The username and password is on the internet, so we're not going to actually touch that at all. So we're going to go ahead and click on add new, and we're going to start from scratch a brand new user. So basically you're going to come in, put in your username, your desired username, your email address, your first name, last name, your website, and you want to make sure that your website also includes the HTTPS, since we do have it set up, and I'm actually using my personal website and stuff. No reason, but it just, that way they know that's my main hub, and I can link back to this later. And then show password. And I'm going to click on hide so you guys can't see what I'm typing. And then you just put in your password you choose. Make sure you have send the new user an email about their account, just so you can make sure you have that. We're going to change that to administrator and click on add new user. That way you have the majority of that set up. And then of course, you have, you won't have the little icon here. That's a gravatar. You need that with WordPress and gravatar, and we'll get into that in a separate video later on down the line in the update. But right now, we're going to go ahead and come up here, and we're going to log out. And the reason we're logging out is we want to log back in with our new account. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And now that we're logged back in under the new profile, or I'm sorry, new user we just created, we're going to go back to users, and we're going to delete that user. And we're going to attribute all content and click confirm deletion. That basically just gave all of the information that has been put up by the default account over into this username. And then from here, like I said, you can click on edit, and this is where you'll actually customize a lot of different things for your account. So you want to start off, and because this is my profile for this, you'll see I'm going to do a couple things different. Of course, you can choose your color scheme. I don't do a lot, so changes like up here. I mean, like I said, color scheme's about the only thing I would touch up here. Then you have display name publicly as, and you can change that here. If you want it to show up different, you can change the nickname. And so I can come in here and go Pyro Plax, click off to the side, and then it'll actually show up down here. So if you wanted to have a different nickname, which is what displays, than what your username is, you can do that here. You want to have your email, your website, your Twitter at Pyroplex. Facebook, actually, we'll have to come back in and put this in a little bit. Biographical information, biro. Yeah, it's a mixture between a biographical information and someone who does stuff with wood burning. Anyways, we're not going to touch anything, so we can come in here and we can change this stuff later. And like I said, this is where you can change the picture via gravatar. If you want to figure that out on your own, for right now I don't have that tutorial, but it will be in the updated training when we launch. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that right there. I don't have a Twitter account yet, but As you see, I have the tabs open for social. We're doing that in the next video. So that's how you edit your update your profile. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a message at CJ Halleck on Twitter or Instagram. You can always shoot me an email, cj@cjhalleck.com. We're going to go ahead and update profile, and we are done. Catch you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. Be great. Stay boosted. We'll catch you on the next video. Take care.